Here delta is equal to the determinant here. It's just expand it here. 3 into 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus of 3 2s are 6 here, minus 6 minus minus become plus 7 here. Okay, 3 2s are 6 here. So it is plus 6 minus of minus 4 here. Then 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus of 2 2s are 4 minus 4 minus into minus becomes a plus 4 here. Then the plus 5 into bracket 3 1s are 3 minus 2 1s are 2 here. Hence this is equal to 3 into 6 plus 1 becomes 7 minus into minus becomes plus 4 here. 4 plus 1 becomes 5 plus 5 into 3 minus 2 becomes 1 here. Then 7 3s are 21, 4 5s are 20 here. Plus 5, 21 plus 20, 41 plus 5 becomes 46 here. So delta is equal to 46 here. Okay. Net here take a delta 1 here. I am interchanging 2 rows here. Okay. Here R1 interchange with R3 here. I am interchanging first and third rows here. Take a 2, 3, 1 in the first row. 2, 3, 1 here. Middle row 1 minus of here. Then 3 minus 4 5. Okay, third row is 3 minus 4 5. Now we expand it here. 2 into 5 1s are 5 minus of minus into minus plus here. 4 2s are 8 here. Minus of 3, then 1 into 5 becomes 5 minus of 3 2s are 6 here, minus 6 so right here minus 6 here. Then plus 1 here, 1 into bracket 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 here, minus of 3 1s are 3, so it is 3 here. Therefore this equal to 2 into 5 minus 8 is a minus of 3 here, minus 3 into minus become plus here, 6 plus 5 becomes 11. Then plus into bracket minus 4 minus 3 is a minus of 7 here. So minus 3 2s are 6 here. Then 11 3s are 33. Then minus into plus minus here. 7 1s are 7 here. Therefore this equal to minus 33 minus 7 minus 40 minus 6 is minus of 46 here. Just observe here, delta is equal to 46 and delta 1 is minus 46 here. Therefore if you interchange any two row here, then the value of the determinant are changing in the sign here. Here is plus 46 and here is minus 46. Even you can interchange the two columns here. In that case also the sign changes here. This is a second property here. So third property here, if any two rows or columns of a determinant are identical, that is all corresponding elements are same here. All the corresponding elements are same. Then the value of the determinant is 0. Identical means the elements are same here. Okay. In that case, the value of the determinant is 0. Consider one determinant here. So A11, A12, A13. Then A21, A22, A23. A11, A12, A13. Okay, here first and third rows are identical here. Okay, here are on elements of R1 and R3 are identical. Okay, are identical. Here these elements are same here. In this case, you have to prove here delta is equal to 0. The value of the determinant is 0. Therefore, direct expand here. Expand the determinant here. Delta is equal to, okay, I am writing here. Delta is equal to A11. So write here A11, A22, A13, A22, A13 minus A23, A12, A23, A12 bracket complete here, minus of A12 here, minus A12 here, multiply these two elements, A21, A13, A21, A13 minus A23, A11, A23, A11 here. Net A13 here plus A13 into A21, A12, A21, A12 minus A22, A11, A22, A11 here. Expand the determinant here. Now take A11 inside here. So therefore A11, first write here A11, then write A13, then A22 here, minus A11, A12, A23 here, minus of A12, A13, then A21 here, minus into minus of plus here, then write A11, then write A12 here, then A23, then plus A13, A12, A21, minus of A11, A13, A22 here. Okay. Here first term and last terms are same here, but here it is positive and that one is negative here. Hence this term and this term get cancels here. Then minus A11, A12, A23 here plus A11, A12, A23 get cancels here. Then the minus A12, A13, A12. Then here plus A12, A13, A21 here. So these two terms get cancels here. Minus sign is there. So therefore this is equal to 0 here. Hence if any two rows are identical, even any two columns are also identical here. In that case the value of the determinant is 0 here. So this is the third property here. Okay. So this is an example here. Here two rows are identical here. 3, 3, minus 4, 5 and 5 here. Okay, just expand it here. 3 into bracket 1 into 5 becomes 5 minus of minus 4 into minus 2 here. Minus minus plus here. 4 to the 8. Minus of minus 4 here. Into 1 into 5 becomes 5. Minus of 3 into minus 2 is a minus 6 here. This is a minus of 6. Then a plus 5 here. So 5 into bracket. So 1 into minus 4 is a minus 4 minus of 3 ones are 3 here. Minus 3. Yes, this is equal to 3 into 5 minus 8 is a minus of 3 here. Minus into minus plus 4. Minus into minus plus here, 5 plus 6 becomes 11. Plus 5 into minus 4 minus 3 is minus of 7 here. Therefore, this is on 9 here. Minus of 9 plus 11 4s are 44. And 7 5s are 35 here. Minus of 35. Minus 35 minus 9 minus 44 here. Then plus 44. Yes, this value is 0 here. If two rows are identical here, then the value of the determinant is 0. Even if two columns also identical, in that case the value of the determinant is 0 here. If each element of a row or column of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k, then its value gets multiplied by k. Okay, this is a property here. That is consider one determinant here. Delta is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is a determinant delta here. So delta 1 be the determinant obtained by multiplying the elements of the first row by constant k. Then okay, here this is the first row here. Each element multiplied by k. Okay, in that case to prove delta 1 is equal to k into delta s. Okay, so here is the property here. If each element of a row or column, even you can take column also. I am taking row here. Even you can take a column also. Of a determinant is multiplied by a constant k. Then its value gets multiplied by k. Okay, here delta 1 is equal to, so k times the value of this determinant delta. Okay, this is the property here. We can prove here. First expand this determinant here. Okay, so now delta is equal to A11 into A22 A33, A22 A33 minus A23 A32, A23 A32 here, minus A12 here, minus of A12 into A21 A33 here, A21 A33 minus of A23 A31, A23 A31 here. Next A13 here. So plus A13 into A21 A32, A21 A32 minus A22 A31, A22 A31 here. Okay, this is expansion of this determinant here, delta. Similarly, expand this delta 1. So therefore delta 1 is equal to, I am writing here, so therefore delta 1 is equal to, expand this determinant here, k into A11 into bracket A22 A33, A22 A33 minus A23 A32, A23 A32 here, minus k into A12, minus k into A12 here, A21 A33, A21 A33 minus A23 A31, A23 A31 here, plus k into A13, plus k into A13 here, A21 A32, A21 A32 minus A22 A31, A22 A3 1 here. Okay. Just observe here. Here is a K here. Here K. Here also K. Take a K outside here. It is a common factor here. So write K outside here. Then write here A11. Then A22. A33 minus of A23. A32 here. Minus A12. Minus A12. A21. A33 minus of A23, A31 here. Then the plus A13 into A21, A32 minus of A22, A31 here. So bracket complete here. You just observe here. Here these elements and these elements are same here. Therefore, K2 write this one as a delta. Okay, using this result here. So therefore, it is the same as delta here. Hence, delta 1 is equal to what here? K times delta. So delta is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 2, 0 2 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0 is the determinant here. So expand it here. So this is equal to 2 into 0 becomes a 0 minus 5 into minus 1 is a plus 5 here. Minus of minus 1 here. 0 into 0 becomes a 0 minus of 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3 here. Hence it is a minus of 3. Then a plus of minus 2 here. Then 0 into minus 5 is a 0 minus of 3 2 is 6 here. So write here 6. Therefore this is equal to 2 into minus of 5. Minus into minus becomes a plus 1 into minus becomes a plus 3 here. Then the minus 2 into minus of 6 here. 5 2s are 10 here, minus of 10. Then a plus 3, minus into minus plus here. 3 2s are 6 here. Therefore, minus 10, 6 plus 3 becomes a 9 here. So, minus 10 plus 9 is a minus of 1 here. So, here I made a mistake here. Minus into minus become plus and 6 2s are 12 here. So, 12. So, 12 plus 3, 15. Minus 10 is 5 here. Okay. Here, delta is equal to plus 5. Yet, I am taking delta 1 here. Multiply this factor by constant 2 here. Okay. So, here R1 gives 2 into R1 here. I am multiplying a factor by the constant 2 here. 2 2s are 4. Then minus of 2 here. And 2 2s are 4. Minus 4. Other two row keep as it is here. So write here 0. Then 2 minus of 1 here. Then 3 minus 5 0 here. Then expand this determinant here. So 4 into bracket 2 into 0 becomes a 0 minus of minus into minus plus here. 5 ones of 5 here. Minus of minus becomes a plus here. Okay, I am writing direct here. Just like a previous here. Minus into minus plus like that. Minus of minus becomes plus here. Then 0 into 0 becomes a 0 minus of 3 ones are 3 minus 3 minus and this minus becomes plus here. Plus 3 here. Then minus of 4 here. Okay, minus 4 is there. Right here minus 4. 0 into minus 5 is a 0 minus of 3 2s are 6 here. These are 6 here. Yes, this is equal to 4 5s are 20 here. So minus of 20. 3 2s are 6 plus 6 here. Minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24 here plus 24. Therefore, 24 plus 6 is a 30. 30 minus 20 is a plus 10 here. So therefore, here is a 10 here. Delta 1 equal to 10. Delta is equal to what is 5. So obviously, you can write here 2 into 5. Then 5 is the value of this determinant delta here. Here so 2 into delta here. Okay, delta 1 is equal to 2 into delta because you are multiplying this part by 2f. Okay, therefore, so 2 into you can write delta f. So similarly, you choose any row here or any